You may have seen this video. These are the two jokers. I'm going to leave one on the top and put one on the bottom. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. Alright, now believe it or not, this trick is actually pretty simple. All you're going to need is two jokers. Does not matter if they're identical or not, you just need two jokers. That's all you need. Otherwise, this trick is completely impromptu, so you can have the deck shuffled beforehand or whatever you would like to do. Now you're going to show that you have the two jokers. You're going to put one on the top, put one on the bottom. Now for this trick, there's only one move, so once you learn that move, you can do this trick pretty easily. So that's a really cool thing about this trick, is it's simple, but it's really powerful. So you're going to spread through the cards, have them select any card, so they could take it out or just out jog it and show it to them. So in this case, the Queen of Spades. Now here is the only move you'll do in the entire trick, is just right here. So basically, when you come down like this, and I've shown this in other tutorials, but I'll just show it again, because it's the only move that we're doing in this trick. So you show the Queen of Spades, and all you do is when you come down, all you're doing is using these two fingers to pull this card down, and then using your thumb to push another card up. So, show you this from this angle. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to pull this card down, and at the same time, you're going to use your thumb to push this card up. Okay? Now, you're going to want to use your index finger to hold all these other cards, so that when you push this card up, it doesn't push a bunch of them up or anything like that, but that it just pushes that one card up just where it was before. So when you do this, you want to do it in one motion, so like this. So it's one motion, just as you come down, you switch those out, just like that. So I'll show you what it looks like on camera. So on camera, it looks like that. The cool thing about this is it looks the same in person. It's extremely angle proof, and it looks amazing, super clean. But now I've switched out the cards, and now their card is right underneath right here. Now once you're in this position where you swapped out the cards, you're going to hold your thumb down on these cards right here, and you're going to use these fingers to pull their card out into what's called coal. So that's called a coal, is by pulling that card out with these fingers, and then you're going to just close up everything. So now their card is on the bottom of the pack. And like I said, just use these fingers just to pull that card out. It will take a bit of practice, but once you get it down, pretty simple. So now their card is on the bottom of the deck, and you can go ahead and show that you push their card into the middle. Very clean. It looks super clean. Doesn't look like you've done anything. Just looks like they put their card back in and you push it into the deck. That's all that looks like, which is why I love this control so much. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to show that the jokers are still on the top and the bottom. And what I'm doing here is, I guess this is kind of a move, but this is kind of an optional thing. I kind of like it just to solidify that the jokers are still right there. But basically what you're going to do is simply just count off two cards. So you pull that one down, and then you pull the joker down. You could do this with your pinky or your thumb, or you could riffle down with this thumb right here. Does not matter. And then all you're going to do is just hold those two cards. Show I have the joker on the top and the joker on the bottom, and all you're doing is just holding two cards, just like that. But if you just quickly pull it out, show it, put it back, looks very clean. Doesn't look like you're doing anything suspicious. Now once you do that, all you have to do is just cut the deck, and then the trick is complete. So basically, you could either do a pass or something if you want to make it look a bit more flashy, like the cards vanished into the pack to find your card, or you can just say, I'm going to give the deck a cut, and the two jokers will find your card. That's the easiest way, and it's just as powerful. You can do either one. So cut the deck, show your cards are going to jump and find the selected card. Now, spread through, and the trick is already complete. You just spread through, show that the two jokers have found their card, pull it out, make a reveal, do whatever you want with that, and there's the entire trick. Super simple. I love it because, like I said, there's really only that one move, and it's just a card control. So I really love this trick, so I really hope you guys go out and perform it. But other than that, see you guys next time.